I'm James with Oswald's Pharmacy. Today we're going to be taking the back off of a Golden Power Lift recliner. The three tools you'll need today are going to be a 7/16 wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. Alright, we're going to be removing the back today. First thing we'll do is get the back skirt out of the way. And we're going to start by removing the three nuts on either side of the chair. Once you've got those three off, we'll head over to the other side. Do the same thing. Once you've got the three removed on each side, you'll come to the back motor on the chair. So you'll take the needle nose pliers and pull the pin out. The washer will come out of there as well. You can push the back forward a little bit to release the tension, and then that pin will slide out. And you've removed the back motor from the backrest. And then lastly, we're going to start by taking a flathead screwdriver and wedging it between the plate and the frame. And once you've got those disconnected, you'll go over to the other side. Once you're out of the brackets, the back is then removed. And then we're going to put it back on. Kind of get into a rough position. We'll slide this L bracket. Once I get the first three in, I usually just cap them off, that way it doesn't pop out of place. And then we'll go over to the other side. And that guy snaps in. And again, just cap them, that way it doesn't come loose. Once you've got them started, then we'll go ahead and tighten them up. The last thing we'll do is reattach the motor to the back. So you'll get about as close as you can. You may have to push the chair back forward or backwards to find the right spot. You'll slide the washer back on, and then we'll put the clip back through. And then we're all set.